So here is a quick instruction on how to 3D print your brain. Step 1 is to get an MRI, so you get the files. And after that you can download this free software from GitHub. Really useful. Made in Brazil, nonetheless. Once you have that installed, run it. You can run it on Linux, Mac or Windows. And then you can import the images that you got from your MRI, probably from a DVD or something similar. And the software will process these images while it imports it, and once you have it in there, you have a variety of different wonderful images to look at. And you can switch on autoplay here in the right hand corner to get it to step through the different images it has taken. And let's pick one from here that we will use for our actual print. You can set the settings here to filter out the parts that you want, if you want the soft tissue or if you want the bone. And we can change the way that we view it. We can switch on a wonderfully meaty version of visualization like this, for example. You can see the brain. You can see this in 3D. There are some bits here and there that we will ignore later on. But let's go to create a surface, and then we export that 3D surface into an STL file, which the software supports by default. So that's quite wonderful really to have that in there for a free piece of software. Once we have the STL, we can go to our 3D printing software. I am using Prusa Slicer, but if you have Cura or something else, that doesn't really matter. The brain itself is fairly large like this if you just want to print it as is. So for our print, we're going to make that a little bit smaller to make sure that we get a shorter print time and use less plastic. It's very handy if you want to back up in case something happens to your normal brain. So that's the way it looks. Best of luck printing your own brain.